Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My China Phangyo Ni Hao. Wo Ai Ni. I am thankful to Almighty Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I am especially thankful to Chairman Lee Jin Yan, Madam Bai Ping, and all staff, and Madam Amelia, the MD Pakistan. Today I am very happy, and if you all will become on this stage in the next convention, you must work hard with dedication, with persistency, and with honesty. And I am thankful to my lion-hearted team. Because of that team, I am here. And you do not think too much. Our company is very big. Our chairman vision is very big. You must be a successful man if you will work together. We fly together, legs together, share together, and inshallah, in the next convention, you all will be on a stage. And today, I'm very happy, but little sad also, because to see this, my success, my mother and my father is not in this world. But I hope that they see me from the paradise and they see my success. And I hope that you will all successful, because our chairman vision and our chairman dreams come true. Our dreams come true in the next 2015. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you very much. Spasiba.
Добрый вечер, Россия!